Hello everyone and welcome to the Tower TV buying guide for the Tower Hobbies Vista Grande. Now this is a 100-inch or 2.5 meter wingspan sailplane. It is an ARF, so some assembly is required. It does come with a brushless motor and ESC combined in the package, so you don't need to buy that separately. That comes with the plane when you buy it. Along with the brushless ESC and motor, it also comes with a 13.5 by 7 inch folding prop. The reason it's folding because you have to belly land this plane. There is no landing gear, so it folds just so it's not going to get caught on the ground while landing. It's also a 3-piece bolt-on wing, so you have a center part here and then you have your 2 edge pieces of the wing. The 2 edge pieces tape on with a stabilizer in the middle, and then the center wing can bolt off just for easy transportation in vehicles. Not everyone's got a big giant vehicle that they can fit this long wingspan plane in. Now this center wing does have a fold-up spoiler that can reduce your speeds and make it more consistent for landing. You can set it to any positions, but most guys run it at a 90-degree angle like we've shown here. So this does come with pre-hinged rudders and elevators, which makes assembly a little bit easier, but I'm not going to say this is a beginner assembly. Maybe your second or third plane if you've already assembled, maybe something a bit simpler. There's not too many pieces to this, but you also have to file down a couple things, measure out a couple things, trim a couple things here and there. That just shuns it away from being a beginner plane for me. We are using the tactic servos that are recommended with this plane. So you have a servo for your spoiler, a servo for your rudder, and a servo for your elevator. Now, the cool thing about this plane is it's only $169 at the time of this filming of this video. And like I said, it comes with that brushless motor and ESC, comes with a folding prop, so you don't need to buy a prop. It's got a very cool slow down spoiler that you can put up just to make ease landing. Like I said, hinges are installed on the rudders and elevators. Very cool, very nifty plane, and it's pretty light. For a sailplane, I mean, you expect them to be light, but I mean, only coming in at 4 pounds. It's really nice, floats in the sky very well. I hope you enjoyed this buying guide, and I hope it pushes you towards to purchase this Tower Hobbies Vista Grande. Thanks for watching.